Right here. Oh, there's a bunch chasing them. Alright, on the board. See that treble hook? Here's the process though. Trying to get this sucker off of here. Little dude on the board. Little guy. There you go. Get the hammer. Yep, reel it, sucker in. There you go. That's the spot. They're crazy, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's better. And then bring it back. Yes, let's go. Yeah. Right. All right, Eric. Is that? You've caught striper before, right?
No.
Oh, first striper here. Let's get the sun behind me.
Hoodie.
First striper, yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Let's go. Oh, that's a boil. I'll get you. Nope, it's all right. Just release it a little bit earlier. Look at them, they're nuts, dude. Oh, right away. That's feels better. Let's see though. That's a little bit better one. Oh, do you want to keep any? It's up to you if you want to keep them or not. That's a bigger one. Oh, and their mouths just a little. There's a little bigger one. A little bit bigger. Guys, striped bows.
There it is.
Yeah, there we go. See? Eric's on again. Let's go. A little bit, oh yeah, large, nice one too. Let's go, baby. Heck yeah. Woo, he's wild, bro. That's beautiful. Yes.
Sucker fish.
He followed that sucker out and just right under the surface. Boom. Yep. Yeah. I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna be chilling.
End of the season to get them to. Oh, there you go. There's that largie.
Give me a little upgrade. I need to get, I have to upgrade for over 14 and a, oh, I got it, don't worry about it. Keep casting back there. Is this guy an upgrade? Maybe. Oh, he's so skinny, dude. Holy crap, is that a skinny bass? Poor guy. Poor guy, huh? Jeez.
Dang.
There we go. That's a largie too, for sure. Might be a good one. Here you go. Yep, let him run for a second. That's a nice 2.5 pounder. Yep. There we go. That's a solid one. They love that rig, dude. Yes, let's go. Perfect. Oh yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Solid guy. Yes. Where's the sun? Check that out, guys. That's a nice one. That's a nice long one too.
Yeah.
Solid bass. No, they didn't. Oh, it's a little dude. Has a bunch of dudes with them. Little dude. Holy crap, it's little. Oh yeah. I don't know if they're big, but
Right there. Might be striper. Oh, it's a nice largie. That might be a smallmouth, dude. That's smallie. I'm gonna start the live well. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's a nice fish. Come on up here. Come on, Timmy. We got. All right. On the bubble. Not huge. Should I ain't that big at all? Whatever. Largemouth action.
Nope. 14 hours on.
Oh, no, I am.
Yeah, let's. Ooh. That's big, dude. Crap, man. 1 second. Look right there. All right. Yeah, let's go. That's a good one. Look at that, guys, back to back. Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. A little bunch right there, dude. Little largie. All right. Yeah. Little dude.
Nice. Double up. Like that. Yeah. Nice. Double up.
Yes, dude. Let's show this camera right here. I'll get it. Yeah. Some doubles, guys. Let's go. Heck yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Doubles.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
I watched them eat the bubble. Ooh. Little guy. Fish loaded. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Finally just got it right on one of those little boils. A little chunkier. Yeah. Be long. All right. On the bubble. fighter. He's not big though. Oh, my fluke. Oh, that was a shad that flew out of his mouth. Little dude.